Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into the world of car care with the ultimate solution, the best waterless car wash. Say goodbye to traditional methods and hello to eco-friendly, time-saving techniques. Whether you are a car enthusiast or just looking for a hassle-free cleaning solution, we have got you covered. Join us as we explore the benefits, application tips, and why this product deserves a spot in your car maintenance arsenal. Let's make your white shine without wasting a drop. At the first position of our list, we have Chemical Guy CWS 20916 Swift Wipe Sprayable Waterless Car Wash. Engineered for efficiency, this innovative formula combines advanced cleaning power with eco-conscious design. Say goodbye to water waste and hello to a spotless shine in minutes. Featuring a sprayable application, Swift Wipe ensures effortless coverage even on the most stubborn dirt and grime. Its gentle yet effective formula is safe for all surfaces, leaving your vehicle with a showroom-worthy finish every time. Plus, its quick drying action means no streaks or residue, giving you professional results with minimal effort. Crafted for durability, Chemical Guy's Waterless Car Wash is designed to withstand the rises of regular use, maintaining its effectiveness over time. And with a budget-friendly price point, it's an affordable solution for keeping your car looking its best without breaking the bank. Whether you are a car enthusiast, busy commuter, or eco-conscious driver, Chemical Guy CWS 20916 Swift Wipe Sprayable Waterless Car Wash offers unmatched performance and convenience. Elevate your car care routine and experience the difference today. At number 2, we have CARPRO ECH2O Waterless Wash, the ultimate solution for achieving a showroom shine without water. This high-gloss detail spray is designed to clean, shine, and protect your vehicle's exterior surfaces with ease, making it a must-have for car enthusiasts and professional detailers alike. CARPRO ECH2O features an innovative waterless formula that effectively lifts dirt, grime, and road contaminants from your car's paintwork without scratching or swirling. Its advanced lubricants encapsulates dirt particles, allowing them to be safely wiped away with a microfiber cloth, leaving behind a streak-free, high-gloss finish. Experience unparalleled effectiveness with CARPRO ECH2O Waterless Wash. This versatile detail spray not only cleans but also adds a layer of hydrophobic protection, repelling water, dirt, and UV rays to keep your car looking cleaner for longer. Plus, its anti-static properties help to reduce dust and dirt buildup between washes. Built for durability, CARPRO ECH2O is formulated with premium ingredients that ensures long-lasting performance and protection. Its easy-to-use spray bottle makes application a breeze, while its concentrated formula offers excellent value for money. Despite its professional-grade performance, CARPRO ECH2O Waterless Wash is competitively priced, making it an affordable option for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Upgrade your detailing routine with CARPRO ECH2O and enjoy a glossy, showroom-quality finish that turns heads wherever you go. Next up at number 3, we have Optimum No Rinse, Wash and Shine, the ultimate car wash solution that combines convenience, effectiveness, and eco-friendliness. Designed to streamline your car cleaning routine, ONR offers a waterless wash option that saves time, conserves water, and delivers exceptional results. ONR's unique formula allows you to wash your car without the need for rinsing, making it ideal for those without access to a hose of water source. Simply mix with water, apply to the vehicle surface, and wipe away dirt and grime with a microfiber towel. Its advanced polymers encapsulates dirt particles, lifting them away from the paint without scratching or swelling, leaving behind a glossy, streak-free finish. Experience unmatched effectiveness with ONR Car Wash. Its versatile formula not only cleans but also adds a layer of protection to your vehicle's paint, enhancing shine and repelling water, dirt, and UV rays. Plus, its concentrated formula means a little goes a long way, offering excellent value for money. Built for durability, ONR Car Wash is formulated with premium ingredients that ensures long-lasting performance and protection. Despite its professional-grade results, ONR Car Wash is affordably priced, making it an accessible option for car enthusiasts and professionals alike. Upgrade your car cleaning routine with Optimum No Rinse, Wash and Shine and enjoy a showroom-quality finish that's easy on the environment and your wallet. The number 4 position is held by Rain-X 620143 Waterless Car Wash and Rain Repellent, the dynamic duo that will revolutionize your car cleaning routine. Designed to deliver a showroom shine without the need for water, this innovative formula combines cleaning power with rain-repelling technology. Efficiency is at the forefront with Rain-X's Waterless Car Wash. Its spray-on application effortlessly lifts dirt and grime, leaving your vehicle sparkling clean in minutes. But that's not all. The added rain repellent feature ensures water beads off the surface, enhancing visibility and safety during inclement weather. Crafted for durability, Rain-X's formula provides long-lasting protection against environmental elements, keeping your car looking pristine between washes. Plus, its versatile design makes it suitable for use on all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, and plastic trim. With its generous 23 fluid ounce size, the Rain-X 620143 offers exceptional value for money, providing multiple applications to keep your car shining bright. Whether you are a car enthusiast, daily commuter, or eco-conscious driver, this waterless car wash and rain repellent combo offers unbeatable convenience and performance. Experience the ultimate in car care with the Rain-X 620143 waterless car wash and rain repellent. Transform your car into a beacon of cleanliness and safety, rain or shine. The number 5 position is dominated by Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax, the all-in-one solution for a showroom shine with minimal effort. Engineered with advanced technology, this innovative formula cleans, shines, and protects your vehicle in one easy step. Efficiency meets effectiveness with Meguiar's Waterless Wash and Wax. Its spray-on application left dirt and green, while the added wax leaves behind a glossy finish that lasts. No water needed, no mess, just a brilliant shine in minutes. Crafted for durability, Meguiar's formula provides long-lasting protection against the elements, keeping your car looking its best between washes. Plus, its versatile design makes it suitable for use on all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, and plastic trim. With Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax, you get professional quality results at an affordable price. Its convenient 26 fluid ounce size ensures you have plenty of hand of multiple applications, making it a cost-effective solution for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Whether you are a car enthusiast, busy commuter, or just want to keep your ride looking sharp, Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax delivers unbeatable performance and convenience. Elevate your car care routine and experience the ultimate shine today. Next up at number 6, we have Adam's Polishes Waterless Wash, your go-to solution for a pristine shine without the hassle of traditional washing. Crafted with precision by car care experts, this advanced formula combines cleaning power with convenience. Efficiency is key with Adam's Polishes Waterless Wash. Its spray-on application effortlessly lifts dirt and grime, leaving your vehicle gleaming in no time. Plus, the added lubrication helps prevent scratches and swirls, ensuring a flawless finish with each use. Designed for durability, Adam's Polishes formula provides long-lasting protection against environmental elements, keeping your car looking showroom-worthy between washes. Its versatile design makes it suitable for use on all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, and trim. Priced competitively, Adam's Polishes Waterless Wash offers exceptional value for its 16-ounce size. With plenty of product in each bottle, you can enjoy multiple applications, making it a cost-effective choice for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Whether you are a detailing enthusiast, daily driver, or just want to keep your car looking its best, Adam's Polishes Waterless Wash delivers professional quality results with ease. Elevate your car care routine and experience the difference today. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Griot's Garage 11065 Spray-On Car Wash, the ultimate solution for achieving a spotless shine with ease. Engineered by car care experts, this innovative formula combines powerful cleaning action with convenience. Efficiency is paramount with Griot's Garage Spray-On Car Wash. Its spray-on application effectively lifts dirt and grime, leaving your vehicle looking pristine in no time. Plus, the unique formula encapsulates dust particles, reducing the risk of scratching and swirl marks for a flawless finish. Crafted for durability, Griot's Garage formula provides long-lasting protection against environmental elements, ensuring your car stays cleaner for longer between washes. Its versatile design makes it suitable for use on all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, and trim. With its generous 35-ounce size, Griot's Garage Spray-On Car Wash offers exceptional value for money. You'll have plenty of product on hand for multiple applications, making it a cost-effective choice for maintaining your vehicle's appearance. Whether you are a detailing enthusiast, daily commuter, or just want to keep your car looking its best, Griot's Garage 11065 Spray-On Car Wash delivers professional quality results without the hassle. Elevate your car care routine and experience the difference today. Thanks for tuning in to discover the best waterless car wash solution. Don't let traditional methods hold you back. With our recommended product, you can achieve a showroom shine with ease. Say goodbye to wastewater and hello to effortless car care. Click the link below to grab a bottle and make every wash a breeze. Remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your ride shining bright.